This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia is getting a very high winds on Thursday, January 31st, 2013. Nova Scotia is going to get a real high winds. Winds going to gust up to 100 kilometers per hour. It's supposed to be real windy conditions in Nova Scotia. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, have your raincoats ready, have your rain suits ready, and have your flashlights ready, because it's going to be a lot of high winds and heavy rain to hit Nova Scotia on Thursday, January 31st, 2013. Nova Scotia is going to get a real strong winds with heavy rain and wind-driven rain. The umbrellas will break right fast. Don't use your umbrella. Then your umbrella will be broken because the winds are going to be very strong in Nova Scotia. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared. When the power goes out, have your iPads charged, have your cell phones charged, have your crank-up radio ready, have your tablets charged. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of pop. Because it's going to be very stormy conditions in Nova Scotia. And power will go out. The power lines will be down, and some of the tree branches will be uprooted, and telephone poles will be knocked over because it's going to be very windy and stormy conditions in Nova Scotia. There will be snow changing over to freezing rain, sleet, then rain for Nova Scotia. It's going to be a lot of rain in Nova Scotia. On January 31st, 2013. Have your board games ready. Have your 3G internet ready. And have your candles ready. Have your crank-up radio ready. Buy lots of extra batteries. Buy your flashlights and candles and crank up radio, because the storm is going to be very powerful in Nova Scotia. It's going to be real strong winds. Storm surge will be going on the coast of Nova Scotia. Stay away from the beaches. Don't go near the shore, because there will be a storm surge and big waves on the coast of Nova Scotia. Stay away from the coast. Don't go near the coast. Stay indoors if you live on the coast, because the high winds are going to be very powerful in Nova Scotia on January 31st, 2013. There will be flooding going on. Don't drive your car to the flood, or your car could get stalled. The car will break down because the winds are going to be very strong. Best of luck to you. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared for it. Very strong winds on Thursday, January 31st, 2013. Good luck and stay safe. People in Nova Scotia, you be very careful out there. Take care.